Hello, TradingView community. Welcome to my new analysis about FNV Franco-Nevada Corporation. And with FNV Franco-Nevada Corporation, there are currently important disruption and developments ongoing that actually had the possibility to transform this whole price market action into the upper boundaries of this whole development. And now a big question is if this consideration actually holds on. And in this case, I have already spotted important developments ongoing within the world gold market that are actually historical and never seen before. As I mentioned already in my recent ideas that I uploaded within my TradingView profile, you can watch them. The gold market currently is transforming into a hugely historical pattern that has never established it before, especially as a new gold backend currency system should be implemented. And such a development is likely to boost the demand structure within the gold market to such new highs that a almost 2x increase within the world gold market cap is inevitable. This is what I already mentioned within my recent ideas, and therefore it is necessary, as I am doing it within my analysis, within my data dashboard, and within my consideration of the gold market currently. It is necessary to pick the gems that I have spotted within the market. And in this case, Franco Nevada Corporation is actually forming a similar development as it is currently boiling upward in the world gold market as the new gold backed currency system should increase. And within the gold rushes within the history, it has been seen several times within the gold history that always when such a major disruptions within the gold market take place, such companies and stocks like FNV actually have the potential to show up with huge developments. And with this being said, here, Franco Nevada Corporation has shown up with this huge pump towards the upside, pumping into these high levels within this whole structure, boiling up above the 65 EMA, which is a highly important support here within this whole structure. And in this case, FNV, Franco Nevada Corporation, has important supports here within this whole structure. And as FNV already completed this huge pump towards the upside, this is a important development within this whole structure because now FNV, Franco Nevada Corporation, because the on-holding demand within the gold market has the ability to hold above these ever so crucial historical price actions support lines. And this is the case why FNV actually is forming the next important formation within this whole structure. And this highly important formation, which FNV is now forming here, is this gigantic historical ascending triangle formation. And such a ascending triangle formation has the ability to form a final breakout above the upper boundaries that is going to transform the price action into a major volatile breakout that is going to print a huge upside pump once the wall formation has been completed, and a implementation of a gold backed currency system is going to accelerate this dynamic to such new highs that a major ongoing pump development into the bullish directions will be almost inevitable. And therefore, these wall structures can transform this whole Franco Nevada Corporation stock into a huge breakout development within the next times, especially as the Franco Nevada Corporation stock is moving in these upper boundaries here. It consolidates further in these upper boundaries, and this means that the final breakout above the upper boundaries is not far away. And in this case, the breakout will be really, really important within this whole structure because once the whole gold backed currency system is implemented with the newest technology, with the newest developments, and the newest innovations, this is really important because without the newest innovations and without the newest technology, this will also be not such a major pump within the structure. Therefore, these new technologies within the gold sector are really important to determine. And in this case, only once this development has shown up, this is going to show up with such a huge pump within this whole structure that the next major wave is going to set up here within this whole structure. And in this case, the whole FNV chart developments are going to print the next major wave within this whole structure. And in this case, this whole expansion and development is going to accelerate heavily, especially as the open interest within the gold market is increasing because of the latest gold backed currency system developments. And these transformational forces will actually be such a conventional pattern that a major breakout above this upper boundary is going to accelerate the price action heavily into these upper echelons of this whole development. And therefore, in this case, the targets above 440 will be inevitable once this whole breakout has shown up. These will be the minimum target zones of this whole breakout development, especially as this price action is going to increase above 180%, especially with the acceleration of the gold backed currency system implementation, even in a small or medium sized economy, especially even in a small or medium sized economy, once the gold backed currency system is implemented within such a economy. This means that this is likely to pump this whole demand structure into these new heights. And in this case, this upper target zone will be the minimum target of this whole structure development, especially with the current dynamics within the gold market ongoing. And therefore, these are really important developments within the gold market that I have spotted recently, especially with the gems that I have on my watch list and that I am re-estimating within the whole gold market and that I am establishing within my analysis. These are the major developments currently ongoing within the gold market, as these trends are likely to transform the world gold market into such a huge volatility development that the major bullish pump structure will be inevitable to consider within the next times. Especially, I am also recommending you that you look in my trading view profile, as I have uploaded the important developments ongoing within the gold market. These are the major underlying developments that should be considered here. Within the whole FNV structure, FNV has also this huge major uptrend development here, which is actually going to accelerate once the whole breakout has shown up. And therefore, these will be the target zones, firstly, of this whole breakout development. And if the price action actually also accelerates further here within this whole structure, this can actually reach such a momentum that a continuation above this minimum target zone will be highly likely. And in this case, the price action, once the demand level within the world gold market has reached such a high level that a continuation will be inevitable, FNV is going to print further exponential pump structures above the minimum target zone. And therefore, these are the important developments within the gold mine stocks price action that I have spotted recently within the market. And therefore, it will be a really important development to look at these analytics indications that I have spotted within my dashboard, and therefore these will be some really important developments to continue with within the next times, especially once a gold backed currency system is established within a small or medium sized economy field. This has the potential to transform the gold market into pumps like it has never seen before in the history, because once such a disruption within a gold market has shown up with in the history. This always had the potential to transform the gold market into 1,000 to 4,000 percentage pumps. And in this case, this is likely to accelerate the dynamic almost 4 times as much, especially with the important innovation and technology to be implemented within the gold market, because this is really important. Otherwise, this can not accelerate this dynamic. Therefore, when going with these technologies, this is also increasing the potential to accelerate this whole gold market dynamic. With this being said, it will be great when you support my project further with a like, follow, and comment. Have a good day. Bye bye.